Hi, welcome to SHEQTalk. I hope you are doing very well today. My name is Abraham Makinda and I am so excited to be having you today on SHEQTalk. And today we will be talking about aligning safety and productivity, where I will be sharing the approach to achieving the ultimate goal of safety and productivity within the organizations. As we all know, mining industry is one of the industries that takes health and safety of its workers very seriously due to occurrences of accidents that result in the loss of lives of miners. So the continual improvement of health and safety at working places is one of the driven aspects by the mining industry as a whole for the reduction of incidents or accidents that happens in the mines. So today we will have a look at how we can align safety and productivity to ensure that a good health and safety culture is enhanced and the production targets are met without compromising safety procedures. The approach will be focusing on actions to be taken specifically on daily mining activities. At the end of the day, there are a lot of factors that must be considered and possible actions to be taken to ensure alignment of safety and productivity at working places. First of all, pre-planning by supervision or management of the section must be done. This is a chance where the relationship between safety and production systems should be activated to have a common goal. And the alignment of everything should start here at this stage. Let's have a look at some of the very crucial aspects to be considered during the stage of this process. And this will depend on the stage or phase of that particular mining activity. It's either the planning, it's foraging, stopping, or development. Firstly, the planning team must check and discuss the current conditions of the environment where the activity is going to take place. What needs to be done to make the conditions safe? This helps the team to organize and prepare in advance to effectively fix what needs to be fixed. Safety systems and production processes must be aligned and applied when executing the activity. Either it's developing, stopping, or development activity. Check if the section role players fully understand the systems, especially the responsible person of the section. That's why it's very important to appoint competent personnel in all works to be done. Talking about people who learn and understand company procedures, the design of workplace settings must be considered also. Layouts, the mining plans must be in order and well established, and they must be discussed with everyone in the section. Involve everyone. Make sure mining plans and specifications are understood by everyone in the section. This will ensure that the whole team understand how the workplace settings should be maintained for safety and productivity. Quantity of productivity and quantity of resources must be considered and their availability. Standard material and number of workers required, and having all resources in place and ensuring efficient use of such resources. This will ensure smooth and safe operation that will result in expected production. And we all know that we cannot expect safe production with limited resources. Competency of the team that is going to execute work is very important. Like it was mentioned before, knowledge of safety and production must be considered when deciding which teams are going to execute the work. An understanding of safety precautions, procedures, and production aspects required. There's a lot of concerns revolving around safety and production, and one of them is the work demand and the pressure that comes with it within the organization. Work demand sometimes put pressure at all levels, and that's why workers sometimes end up neglecting complying with safety procedures when they're busy with activities. That's why it's very crucial to develop parallel structure for safety and productivity climates. And that creates a framework that allows comparison directly between safety and production. Application of the measurement systems for comparison helps a lot in identifying the loopholes between the two aspects. Planning minutes must be comprehensively compiled and communicated to the team that is going to execute the activity that was planned. It is not beneficial to plan for the workers and not align them with the plan. And that's why in most cases, one of the two, either safety or production, gets neglected. And the leaders or supervisors of the section must study and understand the mindset or psychology of team members towards the activity to be executed in terms of safety and production. Talking values and attitudes, it is very important because they must give a clear direction to the team and monitor the team in terms of compliance to set plans and targets. As per the structure of the section, all responsible production legal appointees, including services department personnel, must take responsibility, especially the production supervisor. This is a person who normally runs the show at operational level. Services department to production, such as ORM, rock engineering, ventilation, and safety, must work as a team, align goals, and have a positive perception towards safety and production. Understanding of the values of the company by everyone will contribute to effective execution of activities, and this requires a very dedicated team outlining a good culture within the organization. Role players must build good professional relationships amongst each other, support each other, and avoid workplace politics. That's why we normally have sessions for team building. They are very important. Guys, this is where I will end this show for today, and I hope the little knowledge I've shared will be helpful. I will not go too deep into the technical part of things, as we will only focus on the basics that most of the time we tend to ignore, and they play a very huge role in terms of making sure that we run our operations safely and productively. Guys, thank you for taking your time to watch my video, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can be up to date with more of my content. Thank you.